friend of ours had this van sitting out in her field. You could barely see it. It had just weeds growing all around it. It just looked like it was abandoned. Apparently it sat there for almost 10 years. I looked at it and she said, hey, if you want it, you could have it for free. Well, I was a little apprehensive to even consider it because it had 4 flat tires. The ignition switch was gone. The battery was gone. I didn't know if it ran. And it was a mess inside. It had like bird feathers where like a cat got to them. At any rate, Sue didn't want me to do it, but I finally convinced myself after a few months, why not? You know, it's a project. I didn't know what I was getting involved in, but I thought, let's try it. All right, we bought this van. I think it's a 91. Ooh. We're going to restore it. And we're not sure what we're going to do with it yet, if we're going to keep it or what. But it's a mess right now. And we'll do videos as we fix it up.
You think this from the bird or from the chicken?
Definitely a bird. Maybe a cat got at it or something.
Ready?
So we'll take pictures as we go.
I show in the front. No key.
No key. We gotta get a key for it. Yeah. This is a good thing to save. Is it gonna come under? Yeah, it looks like it. That's okay.
Can we?
I don't want to land on this hose. Okay, we got most of the floor out now. It was a mess. The floor's a little rusty. It looks like just surface rust, so we should be able to sand that out and paint it. And got the shelf out. Looks hopeful.
Yeah.
So probably going to clean up a little bit more, maybe dust in here, and we might take out this side of the paneling. We're not sure yet. So that's the next step. And maybe we'll take out the seats and take out this front mat too. So that's it for now.
I hope work.
Yeah.
We see.
Then we got to get started. We get it started. Be great.
Yeah.
Move it around.
Yesterday I tried to brake but not work that much.
Brakes might need some work. I'll have to find out. We're cleaning it up now using Ajax. We found mouse poop, a lot of it. Oh, it was terrible. So we're thinking about tearing out this insulation right here because we're not sure if there's more mice poop in there. But it looks like the floor's coming out pretty good when we clean it.
I still not use this.
Oh yeah. You're just using the rag right now, huh?
Yeah, better.
Yeah.
Man go
And we'll circle around here. Oh, look at all the water coming out. Well, at least it's coming out. That's a good sign. So, yeah, looks like it's coming out okay. All right. You can see the floor is pretty rusty.
The water still cold.
It's cold, yeah, coming out of the well, so
Yeah.
it's not going to be warm. Okay, it's our second day here. We're actually going to, we cleaned everything, and then I primed it and put some paint on it. And today, we're actually putting some Henry's elastic sealer. It's like a rubber sealer. And mainly just to fill in some of these rust spots. After that, we're going to put padding down, and then we're going to carpet it. So you can see what Sue's doing right now.
You want everything or this?
Whatever you think, honey. I don't know.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Light.
It's just like it seals these rubber area, or excuse me, like rust areas.
Okay.
And maybe hopefully stop the rust from peeling.
Okay, what you want I do?
Okay, push this right here. You have to just, you have to hold on to this, but push this. Like that.
Okay.
It's not easy. It takes a lot, and it might hurt your hand right there. See what it's doing to mine?
Oh, yeah.
So you're just going to push that thing forward.
We try to start the car.
Yeah, we're going to try to start it. Okay, so you're going to push that up.
What you try to do?
Trying to figure out why the pump isn't working. I think one has a different